He's a baby of the house. Like, he wants to be carried all day. Good morning. These are my bangs. So they're just kind of, they're short, so they're just kind of sticking out. I don't know. I painted the chimney black, and I honestly didn't even think twice about painting it black. It just I was just like, black it is. Honestly, I want to paint everything in the house black. Like, anytime I think of what color should I paint this wall or this cabinet or anything, my first color choice is black. But I'm really happy with that choice. I love how it looks. I love how it stands out. Although I really wish it could stand out more. When I painted the living room, I only painted 3 walls white, and I left the wall with the chimney, the natural wood color that it had. And I just feel like it doesn't make the chimney stand out as much as I wanted it to. So I think eventually I'm going to paint that wall white as well. I painted the chimney 4 months ago actually, and it has already had Halloween decor, and then I did my Day of the Dead altar there, and then Christmas decor, of course. And I already took all that out. I put bless you. Anyways, I already put up all the decorations up. That being said, I also want to style the chimney, make it look a little bit more presentable, because right now it's bare. There's nothing on it, and it's a little bit dirty as well. Just make it look a little bit more presentable, you know. So yeah, so let's get to that. Let's get going.
This was honestly really relaxing. At first, I was a little bit overwhelmed because I'm doing this to every single brick, and I was like, okay, it's gonna take forever. But it was actually, yeah, satisfying, and I just put on some good music and everything, and the time went by really fast, at least to me. But it is time consuming, I'm guessing, because I did play like a few songs before I actually finished. But overall, I mean, I found it really relaxing, like I said, and I don't know, satisfying. Like every time that I saw that a row was already finished, and so on and so on. So it was pretty nice. I enjoyed it.